As the days get cooler and drier, you might notice dry skin, a scratchy throat, or even trouble sleeping. In traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, these are signs your body could use a little extra support for the season. I am Jimmy. Today, I'll share 4 simple soothing drinks inspired by TCM that you can enjoy in the fall and winter. These recipes use natural ingredients and may help hydrate, comfort, and bring gentle balance, perfect for this time of year. Let's dive in. 1. Soothing lung and throat, lily bulb, white fungus, and pear dessert soup. White fungus, sometimes called tremella or snow fungus, and lily bulb are prized in TCM for their hydrating and soothing qualities. If you often feel dry or thirsty in autumn, this sweet soup may help support moisture inside your body. Pear brings extra juiciness and can help cool and soothe the throat, which is great if you talk a lot or notice your voice getting hoarse. Here's how to make it. You'll need 1 piece dried white fungus, 1 pear, 30 grams dried lily bulbs, and a bit of rock sugar. Soak the white fungus until it softens, then break it into smaller pieces. Add it to a pot with enough water. Bring to a boil, then simmer on low for about 30 minutes until it turns gelatinous. Add diced pear and lily bulb, soaked if dried, and keep simmering for 15 to 20 more minutes. Stir in some rock sugar to taste and cook until everything is soft and fragrant. Serve warm. This cozy, mildly sweet soup is a TCM classic for autumn. Just a note, if you often feel cold or have a weak digestive system, enjoy this one moderately. 2. Calming the liver and easing tension, rose and jasmine flower tea. Rose petals and jasmine are much loved in TCM for their gentle effect on qi flow. Qi means energy. When our energy feels stuck, think stress, moodiness, or a heavy chest, these floral teas may help with gentle balance. To make this tea, take about 5 to 10 dried rose buds and an equal amount of dried jasmine flowers. Rinse them gently, then put them in a teapot or mug. Pour in hot water, about 90 bardos or just below boiling. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and sip. You can add a little honey or rock sugar if you prefer it sweet. This is a fragrant, light drink, perfect for winding down or when you want to lift your mood. However, if you have pollen allergies, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have low blood pressure, consult your health provider before trying new floral teas. 3. Supporting digestion, dried tangerine peel. Jujube, ginger and lily tea. This blend is a favourite for gentle digestive support in TCM. Dried tangerine peel is thought to help with bloating and comfort, while jujube, also known as red date, offers mild sweetness and warmth. Ginger brings gentle heat to support the stomach, and a bit of lily bulb helps maintain moisture, balancing out the warming ingredients. Here's the easy recipe. Use 5 grams dried tangerine peel, 5 grams jujube, red dates, 3 grams sliced fresh ginger, and 5 grams lily bulb, soaked if dried. Put all the ingredients in a pot with enough water. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Strain and let cool until just warm. Try to drink while it's still warm, not cold, for best comfort. This tea is gentle for most people, but if you tend to feel hot easily or have a fever, it's best to enjoy it in moderation. 4. Relax and unwind, dual kernel honey tea. This sweet drink features 2 special seeds often used in TCM, sour jujube seed, Suanzhao Ren, and arbor vitae seed, Bai Zi Ren. Both are known for supporting calm and relaxation, especially if you have trouble sleeping or wake up often during the night. Honey adds extra comfort and gentle energy. To make, use 25 grams roasted sour jujube seed or 5 grams as powder, 12 grams arbor vitae seed and 1 to 2 tablespoons honey. Gently crush the seeds, skip if using powder, wrap them in a small piece of cheesecloth or a tea bag. Put them in a pot with enough water, simmer on medium for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove the bag and let the water cool until warm, then stir in honey. Enjoy this drink before bedtime to help you relax. If you currently have a cold, fever or mouth sores or tend to run hot, it's best to skip this drink or consult a professional first. Remember, everyone is unique, and traditional Chinese medicine is about gentle, personalized care. I would like to encourage you to download a free ebook that I've compiled the core diagnostic wisdom into a quick, actionable resource for you. The 5-Minute TCM Constitution. Quick Guide. This free guide helps you immediately identify your dominant type and gives you 3 personalized fixes you can start using right now, whether you need to boost chai, clear dampness, or soothe your liver. If you are serious about moving from generic advice to personalized healing, this is where you start. Click the link in the description right now to grab your free guide. These drinks are meant as comforting support for well-being and are not a substitute for medical advice. Listen to your body and consult your health provider with any concerns. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy TCM-inspired wellness ideas. Stay warm and well this season.